Hi everyone. Okay, just going to show you the problem that you can get with your water pipes. This can be, with the shower or pipes in the kitchen. So leakage of the water. So as you can see here, I mean, I just added the faucet, this sprayer pipe, the flexible pipe, just to as an extension. But actually, as you can see, it's leaking all over. Despite I kind of you can see it's dripping, the water is still dripping from the joint here. This is a magic, this PTFE tape, PTFE seal tape. So I'll just show you how to really make it work. And this is really cheap product. You can get it for like 40-50 pence or maybe less than a pound. All right, so basically, in order to stop the leakage, first we will clean these rings where we have to join the any kind of pipe with. So as long as this is dried and clean, you then take the tape. It's a very thin tape. Uh, just roughly apply it there. Um, just like that, and don't worry about the tape going up, but you can easily roll it across these rings of the pipes. So let me just show you here. So this can go actually up to around at least 10 times. So just literally like that is even fine, because it's so thin, and when we screw the pipe in, it should nicely, hopefully, tight it. So there you go. So as you can see, we are just going to screw the pipe in the joint. So yeah, there we go. So let's test it now. Okay, yeah, so this is a full pressure, and yeah, as I said, it just works like a magic. So you can see there's not even a single drop coming from anywhere from this pipe, apart from where the water should be coming. So yeah, it entirely 100% stops the leakage. Right, so for the shower head, as you can see, we have two parts. So this is where these rings are, and we have to just put the tape on top of the rings. So there we go. So just as I said, because the tape is so thin, you just need to wrap around the rings at least between 5 to 10 times is, I think, fine. But you would see when this is sufficient. So yep, I will stop it there, maybe. Yep. And now we are this is how it looks after taped. So you just need to screw that back in. Yeah, give it a good twist, and there you go. So let's test it. Okay, so as you can see, there's no water coming from here, but this part is still leaking, which needs to be taped. So you can see here, yeah, can you see these drops? This is coming from the joint where there is no tape. So here we have just added the tape, and you can see there's nothing dripping. We just need to tape that part to stop this water being leaked. Continue to tape this part as well. Okay, so we have taped this part, and now we are just going to screw this in, the head into the pipe. So yeah, right. Okay, so let's clean it up to test. Yep. So as you can see, there's not even a single drop coming from these two joints that we just taped. Yep.